Hi, I'm back with another new recipe. This is for onam Erissery. We tried so many types of Erissery. Now we're going to try a new one. This is papaya. We have 2 cups of chopped papaya and just 1/3 cup of or 1/4 cup of jackfruit sliced. We're going to cook this in salt in the pressure cooker, and this is to be ground in a fine paste. I forgot to mention turmeric, salt. Cook all this together in 1 cup of water, and then we grind this. 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a cup of coconut, 2 small leaves of curry leaves, 3 onions, and 1 green chili. Grind this into a paste, and this is for seasoning: mustard, coconut, dried red chili, onions, and curry leaves. We are going to season this till the coconut gets brown in color. So we are going to cook this till around 3 whistles in the pressure cooker and mash it really well. To make the video shorter, I'm going to splatter the mustard for the seasoning. Let's spoon that out. Drop in the onions and the coconut. Stir it till it's golden brown. So here the seasoning is done. We'll pour it in the end after mashing the papaya and the jackfruit. In the meanwhile, I did the grinding of the coconut. It doesn't need to be really too fine. So now you see you have the papaya and the jackfruit all cooked. I think you can mash it in the mixie. Just 1 round is enough to have it a thick gravy. See, it's all mashed properly, and now I'm going to add in the ground coconut, salt if we need it, and the seasoning. See, Erissery is about to be done, and taste it. It's looking so yummy for onam. This is another new dish for onam. That's jackfruit and papaya Erissery. Now we're going to have added the ground coconut. Now when it gets really hot, add the seasoning, but don't let it boil. Now we'll add the seasoning: the coconut, ground coconut, the fried coconut, onions, curry leaves, and the dried red chili. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please do try and have it for onam. Happy onam. I'll be back soon with another new recipe. Please share, subscribe, and like my recipe. Bye for now from Supermom's Kitchen, Erissery. Enjoy jackfruit and papaya Erissery. Thank you.